Hi, this is Stephen here from Share Navigator with a trade update. So our US 500 trade, we're just about to close it. It's up, as you can see, 2.2%. So remember, this is a 10K account we're modeling off. We're trying to achieve a 30% return on investment for 2026. And we're smashing it out of the ballpark at the minute. We're over 9% year to date, and we're only in the middle of March. So you can see, just to remind you what the trade was, we sold the put option on the US 500 at 6150. We took in a premium of 30.2. Our bet size was 12, and the current value of that is 8.74. So in other words, we're able to buy ourselves out of this a lot cheaper than what we sold that put option premium for. And when this gets to 8, you can see we've got a limit on of 8 here. So there's nothing for us to do. This trade will execute automatically, and we realise a full gain of about 2.3% on this trade. Switching into the IBKR version, so we used XSP, which is it's basically a cash settled instrument that can be traded in traditional options in IBKR. You can see we're up 2.12% on this one here, and this is about to close today as well, or maybe tomorrow, depending on how the market goes. And again, it's a similar type trade. And just to explain what we did, we have essentially provided an insurance policy for the S&P 500. In other words, we insured the value of it down at here at 6150. And that meant that we could profit in 3 different ways. If the market went up, if it went sideways, and even if it fell, as long as it didn't fall below this 6150 level, which by the way is like more than 8.27% from where it is now. And we did this trade in 13 days. So we've achieved that return on investment of 2.2%. We're going to make about 2.3% in about 13 or 14 days. So again, just to highlight the benefit of this short put strategy, it's a high probability strategy, and it always was over a 90% chance. So even with high oil prices, all the volatility of Iran, we use that volatility to our advantage. And now that volatility is starting to contract, it's working in our favor. So just a quick update on our S&P 500 trade. We're likely to close out today. We have a limit price in of 8 on our US or IG account. If you're using IBKR, just to show you what our order ticket looks like here, we put in a good to cancel order to close out at 0.75. It's a different trade on the XSP here. So it's a different format. So for those of you in IBKR, 0.75 is the number. For those of you using IG, it's 8. Okay, Stephen with a quick update. Thanks and bye for now.